Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take pre-workout before gym, only way. Measure your serving size and mix it with cold water, then sip steadily rather than chugging, allowing the drink to dissolve fully and minimize stomach upset. Choose a familiar product to avoid surprises, and note any added caffeine or ingredients you haven't tried before. Time your routine so you complete warm-ups while the pre-workout kicks in for steady energy and focus throughout your session. In this video, I will show how to take pre-workout before gym, only way. Find your ideal timing by testing 20, 30, and 45-minute windows to see when you feel strongest, then stick with the best one. Track milligrams of caffeine and stimulant blends so you don't stack too much across coffee or other supplements. Consistent timing creates reliable performance boosts and fewer unwanted jitters or crashes during or after your workout sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for keeping cold water on hand between sets. It fits most gym holders and won't spill in your bag. I use it to time hydration alongside pre-workout so I don't overdo stimulants. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to take pre-workout before gym, only way. Keep water nearby and sip regularly, aiming for 8 to 16 ounces before you start moving and small sips during sets to maintain pump and focus. If you have medical conditions or take medications, check with your healthcare provider first and never exceed labeled serving sizes. Treat pre-workout as a tool to enhance training, not a substitute for sleep, nutrition, and consistent effort in the gym.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.